fellow crafters, Craftily Creative Lady here. Today is all about you and your silhouette software and me to tell you all about it. Let's get crafting. Tracing options can be used to automatically trace imported external images for the purpose of creating cut lines. Silhouette cannot guarantee the quality of images not created by our company, nor support any third-party images not offered through the Silhouette Design Store. Silhouette Studio should not be used to trace licensed or copyrighted images which you do not specifically own. Once you've opened an external image, as discussed in section 3.4, you may open the tracing options and then click on Select Trace Area. This will allow you to draw a box around the intended area of your imported image you may wish to trace. The selection area, once drawn, may be adjusted or moved like any other object in the program, as you may need to expand or refine the trace area. The trace area selection will provide a preview of the original image with a yellow area overlay, where the trace area would be applied according to the trace setting filters. These filters will provide a more refined or more liberal application of intended trace effect depending on the settings selected. Once the desired effect preview is achieved, you may then opt to apply the trace method by selecting one of the following. Trace. This option will provide a traced line contour around all the parts of the yellow preview area displayed. Trace outer edge. This option will create a traced line around the outer edge of the yellow preview area displayed only, and ignore any inner parts that may otherwise be displayed in the yellow, showing a potential tracing path. Trace and detach. This option will trace the outer edge of the yellow preview areas of the image and detach them from the rest of the background of the raster image. Designer Edition and Business Edition has two more options. The first one is trace by color. This will trace a single area filled with a solid color. Also check trace areas with the same color. The second option is magnet trace. This will give a magnet tool that will cling to the image while it's being traced. Each mouse click will result in a magnet trace point added to the image. Once the image has been traced, the remaining background will be cropped out. Let me show you how the trace tool works. So you go to the right hand menu, this big one here. You click on the trace tool, which is the fifth one from the top. Open trace panel. If you click on it, it opens this entire panel. The first thing you do is, you can see I have an imported picture. This is a JPEG that I've got from the internet. So you put it on your page. You click Select Trace Area. And you get yellow lines. Now remember, you've got three options: trace, trace outer edge, and trace and detach. So the first one, trace, gives you all the lines. If you look at this, you can see it traced every single line that was on the yellow area. Then if we click on trace outer edge, it only gives you a trace of the outline. Then if we go back and we say trace and detach, this is what happens. This is the background and this is the picture. It detaches the picture from the white background. Then we have the trace by color option. It is this one right there. If you click on that, you can say trace by color. Let's say, for instance, we choose to only trace the green part, you click on the green part and you click on trace, and you only have a trace of the green part. And the final one is magnet trace. You click on the magnet, click on magnet trace, you select your area that you want to magnet trace, and it cuts away the background, as I said before. And that's it from me and your Silhouette Studio Business Edition software. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time, goodbye.